Welcome. If you've ever had a noisy website interrupt your browsing on Google Chrome Mobile, you know how frustrating it can be. Today, I'll show you how to mute specific tabs, or more accurately, specific sites, right from your Chrome mobile browser. This is the updated method, so you can finally enjoy peace and quiet while browsing. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your mobile device. Make sure you're running the latest version for the best compatibility and features. Now, tap the three dots in the upper right corner to open the menu. From here, scroll down and select Settings. This is where you'll find all the controls you need to manage your browsing experience. Once you're in Settings, look for the option labeled Site Settings. Tap on it to access more detailed controls for how websites interact with your browser. Inside Site Settings, scroll until you find the sound option. This is the feature that controls whether websites are allowed to play audio automatically. Tap on Sound to open its settings. Now, you'll see a list of sites that are either allowed or blocked from playing sound. To mute a specific site, tap on Add Site Exception. This is your key to silencing only the websites you choose, without affecting the rest. A prompt will appear asking for the URL of the site you want to mute. Carefully enter the website address you want to silence, make sure it's correct, or the setting won't work as expected. After typing in the URL, tap Add. That's it. From now on, that specific site won't be able to play sound in Chrome on your mobile device. If you ever change your mind, you can always return to this menu and remove the exception. This method gives you more control over your browsing, letting you mute only the sites that bother you while keeping others audible. No more scrambling to find which tab is playing sound, and no need to mute your entire device. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need a quieter browsing experience. Enjoy your newfound control over Chrome's sound settings.